This Windows Update error is an annoying problem that you may encounter when you're trying to update your system. So if you're stuck in this problem and need some help, you have to watch on this video. Firstly, restarting your computer gives it a chance to reset all of these settings and processes, which can help resolve this error code quickly and easily. And in order for you to restart your machine, click the Start menu, select Power, then click Restart. Now if restarting does not help, try running Windows Update Troubleshooter. You just have to open Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click the Run option next to Windows Update. Now you have to wait for the troubleshooter to scan for issues, and they will automatically fix anything that it finds. Lastly, a date and time setting error on your computer may also lead to Windows Update error. So you have to sync your PC's date and time settings by opening Settings, go to Time and Language, click Date and Time, click Date and Time under Additional Settings, then click the Sync Now option. Now you have to turn on the toggle next to Set the Time automatically. Also, make sure that your time zone is correct, otherwise Windows may ignore new updates. That's how you can fix the following Windows Update error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.